It's raining outside. Hi. Present, you go to sleep. Good night. Oh my god, see? It's 3 and you did not sleep still. Trivon, hello. Thank you for coming sa aking live. Eldon, hello. Hola. Boa noite. Boa noite, amor. I don't know in English. In English, maybe it's like a good morning. Good morning, my love. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Don't judge me. This girl always throws me out from her life. No, it's not like that. I'm just concerned to your health. Supertonic vlog. T. Alisin yung kumot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alisin lang pala yung kumot eh. Did you see the view? Did you see the mountain? La, 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 la. I'm just being concerned because it looks like you did not sleep the entire night. You know. You know, when you're lack of sleep, you can think well. You know, it's really different. Oh my God, it's really different when you have complete sleep. You know, you can think like really well. Your mind is fresh, refreshing. Nagsalita ako, but me, yeah, sometimes I also sleep like 3 hours or 4. And when I woke up in the morning, it looks like I'm dizzy and it looks like I'm hungover. It's not. It's a lack of sleep. I just drink coffee because when I'm doing chores, I'm so very sleepy. And I don't sleep like short sleep, like take a nap. I don't because it makes my head only hurt when I only like take a nap. So what I'm doing to do is just sleep early in the next night. But yeah, sometimes I don't have sleep because sometimes I'm going to the bar. I'm going to the disco. I'm dancing there and with my friends and drinking beer. Yes, just sometimes life is balanced. You have to work and of course sometimes you have to do activities. You do what you want. Go out, spend time with friends, hang out. Did you do that? Did you do that also, Prasad? Having fun time just sometimes? Having fun times sometimes. Hindi ko alam anong pinagsasabi ko. Basta yun na yun. I hope you got me. Gasim, hello. Bye-bye. Thank you. Take care, my friend. Simeon, hello. Thank you for coming. Where have you been? Where are you from, my friend?